Και ευλογήθηκε όσο Ισαάκ και πληθύνθηκε όσο Ιακώβ, πορευόμενος εν ειρήνη, like Rebecca, and multiply like Rachel. Rejoice.
Granted much your judgment that the children for their benefit, let us pray to the Lord.
Νίκαια ήθελ εις τους αιώνας των αιώνων. Επίσης η πάσα δόξα, ημί και προσκύνησης, το Πατρί και το Υιό και το Αγίου Πνεύματι των γάμων, και υστερήσαντος ίνου, λέγει νίκης του Ιησού προς αυτόν, ίνον που και...
If I give away all I have, and if I deliver my body to be burned, it does not rejoice at wrong, but rejoices in the right. Love bears all things.
How unique is it? Very unique, and that shows that our faith is unique. It is not done in any other place. That is why we are ourselves declaring that without the love of God we cannot actually be together. And it is the same for the newly wedded. That love of God should be in our midst forever. Yes.
And the very old ceremony, it has been the same for so long, for 2,000 years.
For 2,000 years, exactly the way Jesus went to Cana of Galilee and performed the first miracle, changing the water to wine. So from that time up to this present day, we are still keeping that same tradition.
Yes.
And that is why we are rejoicing.
Thank you.
Why are you here today, sir?
Well, to get married in beautiful Nairobi, in beautiful Kenya, a country we love very much, a continent we love very much, and we're here with our traditions. We thank everyone. We're very happy to be here. It's a beautiful place. You can really see the love of God and God's image in Africa and in Kenya. And
we're here for Alex and Ash's wedding. We're very happy for them. Yes, they're a lovely couple, lovely people, so kind, and the church is magnificent as well. We're very happy with the service. We definitely want to come again to Kenya and to the church as well.
And να ζήσετε.
Να ζήσετε.
Alright.